Hello, you guys. Happy Saturday. How is everyone doing? I'm doing great. In this video, you guys, I'm doing a little bit of everything. So I don't know how I'm going to call this video, but we'll see after I finish editing. Yeah, so I'm doing 2 recipes for you guys. And also, I'm just going to put away my fruits. I'm going to cut those up and put away my eggs and stuff like that because I had just came back from a little bit of grocery shopping that I did. So I'll let you guys watch this video and let me know in the comments down below if you will try the recipes that I showed you guys. And yeah, and let me know how everyone's doing.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me out there fine. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hey you guys, so as you saw earlier, my boyfriend was cutting up this piece of pork, and I want to do it like I want to stuff it. I saw somebody on Facebook doing it and it looked so good. The person put sausages inside, but I don't really want to put sausages because I'm not really a sausage fan. But I was thinking of putting shrimp because you guys know I love shrimp. So I was thinking of putting shrimp inside, and then I also found one sun-dried tomato left in here, so I'm thinking of cutting this in little pieces and adding it inside and maybe putting the oil on top. I think it's going to be tasty. And then I also found a little bit of salsa that I had left in the fridge, and I want to try to finish stuff that I have in the fridge and go do some grocery shopping. And yeah, so I forgot the spinach, you guys, so I sent my boyfriend to go get some spinach. So we're gonna put some spinach in here, we're gonna put cheese, and we're also gonna put like fresh tomatoes. I bought Italian tomatoes, so we're gonna slice those up and put them inside. I already marinated the meat yesterday, so like a good 24 hours I marinated it. And I'm gonna just put some spices inside, like from the inside, because he cut it so there's nothing inside, so I'm gonna put spices. And yeah, so we'll put cheese, tomatoes, a little bit of salsa, the sun-dried tomato that I have there. And I sent my boyfriend to go get spinach or asparagus. So asparagus too might be really good with this. And the shrimp, I guess. But you guys, I'm in between. Should I add shrimp? Should I add shrimp? I don't know. Anyways, we'll see what I'll end up doing. So we're gonna do this together, you guys. I decided to add like a second recipe inside the video because I had already finished the video that I'm posting today, so I just decided to put this recipe as well because it's a new recipe and I haven't made this before. So we're gonna try it together and see if I like it.
can run, but you can't hide. Can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. Can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide. Can't
Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care and happy Saturday.